Hello, beautiful souls inhabiting planet Earth. This is Kastela again, but this time I'm coming with a very different type of video. It's evening in Brussels. I'm in the hospital, and I'm in the hospital because I'm a bipolar and I dropped drugs. I decided to quit. So that took me back to the hospital. And so this is a very different message I have to share with you tonight. This is a message about the one suffering from bipolarity. I want you to know that you are special. I want you to know that you are a unique expression of divinity as everybody else, but even more sensitive, even more creative, even more intuitive, even more rebel than anyone else, and even more passionate. So here I am without makeup, just in the middle of the night. It's around 11 p.m. over here. I am looking forward to go back home, and I don't know when in that day it's gonna be. It's gonna be still 1 week or 2 weeks in the hospital. It's been hard. It's been very challenging, and I'm almost sleeping now because I took my drugs, my medication, whatever. So if you are bipolar and you're watching this, you better know that we are here to heal it. And we, the bipolars of the whole world, if we unite our power, so power is in unity, so if we all unite, we might make a difference to this world and to the pharmaceutical companies that want us to have drugs, because we're extremely creative when we are without drugs, but it's dangerous because we might fall on the other side, our depressive side. So I'm almost crying because I'm wearing contacts and they are bothering me. So I'm not really crying. So hang on in there. If you're bipolar, hang on in there, and do allow your treatment. Take your treatment, because otherwise they're gonna fuck you up. If you don't take your treatment, they're gonna really fuck you up. Pharmaceutical companies, man, and the doctors, and your parents, and the society, they're all out there in order to make us, to put us down, to make us feel as if we're not able, but we can achieve the unachievable. I'm telling you. I've been taking lithium since I was 22, and I've been achieving so many things on it. I've been working on it. I've been studying on it. I've been doing my economic studies on it, and finished in 4 years of studies in Greece. I did my MBA. I worked at different works. I go to the gym. That's what I have to tell you. Go to the gym, because you're gonna make a stronger body and you're gonna have less shakings. Well, for me, it's from lithium. So I love you. I love you all. I love you very much, and you know that. Wherever you are in the world, whatever you've been through, either you're a bipolar or a schizophrenic or a depressionist or whatever you are, I love you. no matter who you are. If you're a penniless guy in the street, I still love you. If you're an extremely wealthy guy or girl or whatever, I still love you. No matter who you are, no matter what you've been through, I do love you. Unconditionally. Unconditional love exists. Yes, it's Christ consciousness. I love you all. So, good night. I'll get organized once I get out of the hospital and do more videos for you guys and for me as well, because I also need those videos. They're my creativity. And I will do readings and stuff. So take care. Bye bye.